Hello everyone. Welcome to the Let's Speak Japanese channel. In this episode, we will focus on one of the most basic and important skills in Japan, greetings. Let's learn how to greet in Japanese together. Let's start with some general greetings in Japan. Learn how to use basic greetings like konnichiwa and a konbanwa to the more casual ohayou, depending on the situation. Morning greeting is good morning.
Ohayo. Ohayo.
The lunch greeting is hello.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
The evening greeting is good night.
Oyasumi. Oyasumi.
These greetings are used depending on the time of day.
Ohayo. Konnichiwa. Oyasumi.
Finally, we will introduce greetings that can be used in specific situations, such as phrases like, thank you for your hard work, and thank you very much. We provide specific examples of conversations using Otsukaresama desu and Arigatou gozaimasu. These phrases are commonly used in work and everyday situations. Scene, after work at the office. Colleague A standing up. Thank you for your hard work today. Colleague B packing up. Thank you for your hard work. Let's do our best again tomorrow. Host. The expression, thank you for your hard work, is used to express gratitude at the end of work and to acknowledge one another's hard work. It is often used with colleagues and superiors.
お疲れ様です。お疲れ様です。
Equals goodbye.
お疲れ様です。
Scene, after ordering at a cafe, the waiter brings the drink. Waiter. Here's your coffee. Customer receiving the drink. Thank you. Host. The expression, thank you, is used to show gratitude when you receive something or after someone has done something for you. It is an important phrase that is used very frequently in daily life.
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
This time we learned some basic greetings in Japanese. By mastering these greetings, you will be able to participate confidently in everyday conversations in Japan. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to write them in the comments section. Stay tuned for the next episode.
さようならまたね。